Taryn and others have asked for a quick look at how to customize Omeka. So I'm going to do that for you guys today really quickly. To do that, obviously you're going to log in to your Omeka site. So I'm going to use the California Surf Culture archive that we used at the beginning of the semester for this little set of tips. So you're going to go to your CA Surf Culture /admin, and that will bring up your administrative password. Sign in to the collection, and to change the way that Omeka looks, it's not quite as obvious as it might be. So across the top you'll have your items, collections, tags, plugins, right, users, theme, and exhibits, and it's in the theme tab here. These are actually clickable tabs here that you're going to press on. So click on the Amiglio. That's the current theme that I'm using right now, and you can see now you have tabs for the appearance and settings and other things like that. You will have a set of default themes down here. There are other themes, and you can get new versions of themes. If you want a new theme though, or if you find a theme that you want, you have to let me know so that I can download it and put it into the proper folder for you on your on the server that I'm using to serve these files. So you can use these defaults, or you can get new themes. You just have to let me know about that. So to configure the theme, or to change what the page looks like, and here let me open a new tab, and let's just go to CA Surf Culture so you can see what we're looking at. So this page here is just a simple page, but if I were to like open, as is that one, but if I was to open like this, right, so you can kind of get a sense of the site here, right? So back in the administration panel, you can configure the theme right here. So by clicking on configure the theme, you can choose a header image, so you can change the way that the top part of the bar looks like, the header. And if you're doing this, do note that you need an image that is only 100 pixels high. You can put a logo on there if you want to. You can add some text to display in the theme's footer. So if I put this is footer text like this, and I save these changes, if we go over to here and back to the home page, any of the pages really, it would put it, you can see right here that it added the this is footer text to the bottom of this page. If I want to get rid of that, it's just as simple as deleting it. Right, so we delete that text, hit the Save Changes button again. If we look at it again, we can see that that goes away. Right, then you've got copyright information here, site-wide search here. You can turn site-wide search on and off. Display a featured item, display a featured collection, a featured exhibit. You can click those on and off. Recent items, you can change that number to whatever you'd like. And you can add homepage or text to be displayed on the homepage if you'd like there. So this is where you could add an introductory paragraph of text, whatever it might be. Right, and then if you want to, you can check this box if you want to display it in as a grid of thumbnails and icons. So there's a lot of customization that can go on in this page, this part of the page. Just make sure that you're always saving changes when you're changing things here. You just have to click on that little button there. Then next to the themes appearance is a navigation appearance. So here you can tell it what to put onto the site. Right, so right now I have browse exhibits, browse collections, browse items, and about the site and home. So if I take like browse exhibits off and I hit the save changes, you'll see that in this old one, browse exhibits was there. As soon as I refresh, browse exhibits goes away, leaving, right, and kind of cleaning up the navigation for this site. But I want that to be there, so let's put it back, hit save changes. In this space too, you can select which page is going to be your home page. In this archive, I've used the simple pages area here to create an about the site and a home page. And so in the theme navigation area, I'm using the home page that I created in Simple Pages to represent, to be the home page, right? And so you can add pages, or mostly what you'll see instead is browse item, browse collection, browse exhibits. Those will be the three main pages that default open, and you can choose from those, or you can do as I've done, which is go to Simple Pages, right? And simply add a page. When you add a page, you can title it. Here, we'll title this one Test Page. We'll make it called Test in the slug. That's the after the, so it'll be /test. This if you want to write in HTML, or here where you can just add your text. So let me grab some lorem ipsum, my favorite, lorem ipsum. Let's do cool. So we'll copy that, and if I slap that into here, right, you will see, right, there's 5, and then we'll just hit save changes, and this test page looks like that on the site. All right, so I made a new page, which then you can add to your navigation, right? So if you wanted to add to that add this test page to your navigation, you'd simply go back to the theme, configure your theme, navigation, and you can now add, oops, I forgot to make that page public, hold on. Simple Pages, let's edit the test page, right? We can save the changes, let's publish this page, right here, save changes. Now that it's public, we can go back to our dashboard, back to our theme, configure, navigation, and now you see the test page is there. And if we go back out to our collection here, it should, when I refresh this page, add the test page there, and you can see it, right? So you can add anything you want to these pages, and you can add, right, if you're writing in these pages, you can add HTML breaks and other things like that, which we can cover in a later tutorial if you want. Right, and so the other thing you can do with these is reorder them. So you just click on one and you can reorder it. And if we do this, and I hit save changes, if we go to CA Surf Culture again, you'll see that test page is now the first in the navigation. So, and then it also shows up in some navigation down in the bottom of the page. I don't want that there, so let's drop this down here. Let's turn that off. And then if you wanted to link out to some page somewhere else, you can do that right here. So if you wanted to link out to, let's just say, the now defunct Surfer magazine, we do that. We find the website, and we take the link, copy, we come back into Omeka, we add that URL, and if we add a link here and then put this there, hit save changes, you'll now see that there is a direct link to Surfer magazine from the site. So there's quite a bit of customization that you can do within this space, and turning things on and off is quite easy. You just make sure that things are like that. So I hope this little video helped. Let me know if you have other questions, especially about Omeka, and customizing it for your own needs. Oh, last thing, I guess, if you want to change themes, hold on, let me make sure I save those changes. Everything looks right. Go back and make certain everything looks right. Yeah, okay, I didn't break anything. Good. So the last thing here, in the themes tab, if you want to change theme, all you do is hit the use this theme tab. I don't want to do that because it'll break what's currently there, and it will just change it to whatever the theme looks like, and then you have to kind of do some customization around it to get it back into shape. So that's it for the Omeka lesson.